Compact kitchens demand efficient cleaning solutions that save space while delivering powerful dishwashing performance for everyday use. Best dishwasher for small kitchen models offer quiet operation, energy efficiency, and compact design ideal for apartments, dorms, and limited counter spaces use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. COMFEE 162 Degrees Dishwasher. The COMFEE 162 Degrees Dishwasher is designed specifically for compact living spaces where installation flexibility and cleaning performance both matter. It features a no-installation setup with a built-in 1.32-gallon water tank, allowing users to operate it anywhere without a direct tap connection. For added convenience, it also supports faucet hookup with the included hose and adapter, making it adaptable for different kitchen layouts. Despite its ultra-compact footprint, it can handle over 30 items per cycle, including plates up to 9.5 inches, which makes it practical for daily household use in small kitchens, apartments, dorms, and RVs. It offers 6 wash programs, including normal, rapid, hygiene, glass, fruit, and air refresh drying mode, giving flexibility for different dish types and cleaning needs. The high-temperature hygiene cycle reaches up to 162 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring deep cleaning for heavily soiled dishes and improved sanitation for utensils used by children.
Number 2. Hermitlux 5-liter Dishwasher. The Hermitlux 5-liter dishwasher is built to maximize efficiency in tight kitchen environments while maintaining strong cleaning performance. With dimensions optimized for countertop use, it fits easily into small homes, apartments, dorm rooms, boats, and RV setups. Despite its compact design, it accommodates more than 30 pieces of kitchenware, supporting up to 5 full place settings and dishes as large as 10.25 inches when angled properly. One of its standout features is water efficiency, using only about 5 liters per cycle, significantly reducing water consumption compared to manual washing. It offers a wide range of 7 washing programs, including Standard, Quick, Strong, Eco, Class, Self-Clean, and Fruit, along with additional functions like Delay Start, Child Lock, and Dry Mode. This makes it versatile enough to handle delicate glassware, heavily soiled cookware.
Number 3. EUHOMY 167 degree Fahrenheit Dishwasher. The EUHOMY 167 degree Fahrenheit dishwasher focuses on convenience, quiet performance, and flexible installation options, making it a strong fit for modern compact living spaces. It supports both a built-in water tank mode and faucet connection, eliminating the need for permanent plumbing or installation work. This makes it especially useful for renters, dorm residents, and RV users who require portability and ease of setup. Its 5-liter tank option allows fully independent operation, while the water level indicator ensures simple monitoring during use. Despite its small external size, measuring approximately 16.83 by 16.73 by 18.03 inches, it can wash over 30 items per cycle, including plates up to 10.25 inches, along with cups, bowls, and utensils. A key advantage is its ultra-quiet operation at around 40 decibels, allowing it to run in the background without disturbing daily activities such as work, sleep, or conversations. The interior is designed for organized loading with dedicated holders for cutlery, fruit baskets, and cookware items. Number 4. BLITZHOME 360 degree Dishwasher. The BLITZHOME 360 degree dishwasher is designed for users who want smart control features combined with compact kitchen functionality. One of its standout capabilities is app-based control, allowing users to monitor washing status, adjust settings, and schedule cycles remotely. This adds a modern convenience layer, especially for busy households that value time management and automation. It includes 6 washing programs, such as Standard, Quick, Strong, Eco, Fruit, and Drying, offering versatility for everyday dishwashing needs. The Quick mode completes cleaning in just 29 minutes, while Eco mode reduces water and energy consumption for more sustainable usage. Its high-temperature drying system reaches 167 degrees Fahrenheit, helping ensure dishes are properly sanitized and moisture-free after each cycle. The dishwasher supports dual water inlet modes, allowing either a built-in tank fill or faucet connection, making installation flexible and user-friendly. Despite its compact design, it can handle 4 to 6 sets of tableware. Number 5. MOMOKOVA 167-degree dishwasher. The MOMOKOVA 167-degree dishwasher offers a strong balance of capacity, flexibility, and advanced drying features within a compact countertop design. It is built to support families of 3 to 4 people while still maintaining a small footprint suitable for apartments, dorms, RVs, and compact kitchens. Its interior is efficiently organized to accommodate plates up to 12 inches angled, along with bowls, cups, and cutlery, making it more spacious than many standard compact dishwashers. It features 7 washing programs, including normal, quick, eco, strong, glass, fruit, and dry, providing tailored cleaning options for different dish types and soil levels. The strong mode is especially useful for heavily soiled cookware, while the glass and fruit settings ensure gentle yet effective cleaning. One of its key strengths is the enhanced drying system, which includes a 60-minute heated drying cycle and up to 72 hours of automatic ventilation to prevent moisture buildup and odors.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.